Today we're unboxing the On Cloudboom Strike, and trust me, this shoe looks even better in person. Let's get straight into it. Straight out the box, this is a stunning shoe. The design, the geometry, the detailing, it genuinely feels like a premium racing product. Sleek, sharp and built for speed. And the moment you put it on, you feel it immediately. The plate gives you this forward drive that almost pushes you into the next step. It's responsive, it's lively, and honestly, it feels fast just standing still. One thing you notice straight away is just how lightweight the shoe is. There's almost nothing holding you back. It feels stripped back, streamlined, and built with one purpose in mind: pure speed. Every element is engineered to keep you moving forward with as little wasted energy as possible. But it's when you actually start running that this shoe shows what it's really made for. Let's take a look at the foot strike. The heel strike feels good, with minimal compression and a good transition through the foot as you hit the ground. Midfoot is where things start to open up. The plate loads properly, the transition feels smoother, and you start to get that signature Cloudboom pop. Forefoot striking is where the shoe absolutely comes alive. You get maximum propulsion, the plate drives you forward, and every step feels like free speed. This is the sweet spot. It's expensive, but for me, the Cloudboom Strike delivers a truly elite experience. It looks world class and runs exactly the way it promises. What do you think? Would you run in these? Drop your thoughts below.